welcome to Winimatics. I am Winifred. This is Winimatics, where mathematics is simplified. You are highly welcome to this video. Okay, and if you're new to this channel or you are yet to subscribe, please click that subscribe. Click on it now. Have you done that? Well done. And equally click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new video. And if you've not yet watched a video on number basis, please run and do that, because you need that knowledge to understand what we are doing here. And in that video, we talked about the number basis, different bases we have, and we talked about base 2, that is called binary number system. Okay, so today we'll be looking at basic operations on this base 2. And we have 4 major operations we'll be looking at: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But in this particular video, we will be looking at addition and subtraction of binary numbers. If you look at here, we have 6 questions as usual. I'm going to answer 4 questions out of the 6 and then leave 2 for you to use as your assignment. Alright. So if you look at this, this number 1 and number 4, I'll leave for you to do as your assignment. Then I will answer 2, 3, 5, and 6. So we'll solve it together. What you would do is make sure you have your pen and your book with you. Solve along with me so that you understand what we are doing. And you check. I will definitely write the answers. I will write the answers on the screen for you. The answers for number 1 and number 4. So when you finish solving, you check if it is in line with what I have. If it is correct with what I have, then kudos to you. But if it's not, you try again until you get it. You can also send us a message on our Instagram handle. Just you see our Instagram handle there, so you can follow us. Send us a message. Any question or anything you want to clarify, you can get it from there. Okay, so let's start. We'll start with number 2. Start with number 2. So number 2 says we are adding 1 0 0 1 1 1 base 2. We are adding 1 1 1. So let's start from the unit part. 1 1 1 1. We add in base 2. Let's see how it goes. 1 plus 1 is 2. But because we are working in base 2, we'll just put over 2. This 2 is because we are working in base 2. I want you to learn this method because it will help you in solving other bases. You know, I don't just want to tell you that 2 is 10 in base 2. No, it's 1 0 in base 2. No, I don't want to do that. I want you to know how, so that you can use this knowledge in solving other bases. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, but because we're working in base 2, that's why we have this 2 here. Exactly. Alright, so 2 divided 7 is what? 2 divided 2 will give you 1 1. Is there any remainder? No remainder, 0. So this remainder 0 is what we're going to write, 0. This 1, we carry this 1, give it to this. Are you following me? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. We have 3. Let's look at 3. Then over 2, because we are working in base 2. 2 goes in 3, it will go in 3, 1, 1, remainder 1. So this remainder 1, we write it. This 1, we give it to this. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 again, if you do the same thing, since it's 3, if you follow the same thing, you're going to get to 1, 1, remainder 1. So this remainder 1, we write it. This 1, we give it to this. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2, right? 2, see 2 here. 2 goes into 2, we give you 1, 1, remainder 0. So this remainder 0 we write. This 1, we give it to this. Hope it's making sense. 1 plus 0 is 1. So it says 1 is less than 2. Remember I told you about the digits of binary, that it is 0 and 1. So 1 is the highest digit. So since it's 1, meaning it's less than 2, so we can write it down 1. And this 1 will come down 1. So that we have 1 1 0 1 1 0 is 2. that simple? Yeah, it's very simple. I know you understand it. Okay, let's also look at number 3. Let's see number 3. Number 3 says 1 0 0 1 base 2 and 0 1 1. I always start from the unit side to write it so that because of the digits, the number of digits. Alright, so we have this. We're adding again. 1 plus 0 is 1, so 1 is less than 2. We are not doing this thing. Bring down 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. This one, I'll bring it down 1, so that I have 1 1 1 1 base 2. Is that simple? I hope you understand it. Well done. So just follow this method. Make sure you are writing down. Write down what you have on the screen, on the board here. Have you put it down? Okay. Go through it, look at it very well, and then use this sample 1 and 2 and 3 to attempt this number 1. I bet you will get it correctly. Okay. Now let's attempt 5 and 6 while you do 4 as your assignment. 5, we have 1 1 1 0 1 minus, I'm starting from number 1 0 1 1 minus. They are all in base 2. So we start. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1. Since nothing is there, I'll bring it down 1. So I have 1 0 0 0 0 base 2 as my answer. It's actually very simple. This one is very simple. Right? Okay, let's attempt 6. Let's do 6. 1 0, number 6. 1 0 0 minus, I have 1 1 1. They are all in base 2. They are all in base 2. Just know they are in base 2. So we start. 0 minus 1. Can it go? No, it cannot go because 0 is smaller than 1. Now, funny enough, the neighbor of this 0 is still 0. Neighbor, 0. Is the neighbor that has something, that has 1. So this guy cannot run to this one. Instead, if you wait till this person gets, give to this person gets, give to this, give to him. Okay, so look at what will happen. So I'm going to pay attention very well. This one, we borrow 1 from this. And if it borrows this 1, of course, if you take away this one, nothing will be here again. We borrow 1. But because we are working in base 2, so whenever you are working in any base, once you borrow 1, that one we assume that base you are working on. So since we are working in base 2, this is binary. So if I borrow 1 from this, that one will automatically turn to 2. Is that clear? Okay. So once this is, oh, you now have something, please give me 1. So this one we borrow 1 to this. We borrow 1, that is take away 1 from this 2. This one reduced to 1. That's why you borrow, because we are working in base 2, we turn to 2. Is that clear? Okay. So once this one sees that this has something, say, oh, I have gotten something. Give me 1. This one will now borrow 1. If you take away 1 from this will reduce to 1. That one you borrow will turn to 2 because you're working in this 2. Is that clear? Do you understand the movement? You borrow 1 here, this reduces to 0, give it to this becomes 2 because you're working in base 2. Borrow 1 from that 2, the 2 reduces to 1, give it to this becomes 2 because you're working in base 2. Borrow 1 from this reduces to 1, give it to this becomes 2 because you're working in base 2. Alright, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. And this one, 0. So we have 0, 0, 0, 1 base 2, which is the same thing as 1. Because these zeros, you can discard them. 1 base 2. It's not very simple. It's very simple, right? Okay. So what you're going to do for me now is that you use this method, this explanation, and use it to attempt this number 4. We get it very correctly. I'll put the answer on the screen for you. When you solve it, you check whether it's the same with my answer. Alright, you can also follow us on our Instagram. You can send us a message there. You can tell us how this video has been helping you, or if there's anything, any comments, any observation, or any suggestion, you can help us send it on our Instagram. Alright. Okay, so if you're yet to inform your friends about this channel, please do so. Help them so that this channel will also help you. Help them to do well in mathematics, especially if you are preparing for any examination or for knowledge sake. Follow us, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share with your friends, and remain yours, Winifred. And this is Winimatics. Your mathematics is simplified. Continue to take good care of yourself. Bye bye.